In the silent, endless darkness of interstellar space where the cold stretches on forever, something impossible happened, something that defied all our expectations. A message, a whisper, arrived from a place where nothing is supposed to escape. Not even light, not even the faintest echo of a signal. Decades ago, we sent Voyager, a tiny probe, into the vast cosmic ocean, hoping it would carry our story into the unknown. We thought its journey would end in quiet solitude, drifting endlessly, a silent witness to the universe's secrets. But on July 6, 2025, everything changed in a way no one could have predicted. Voyager found something at the edge of a black hole, a place where our physics says nothing can return, where even time seems to stop. The scientific world was thrown into chaos, as experts scrambled to make sense of the impossible. The universe has rules: gravity, the speed of light, the inescapable pull of a black hole. These are the laws that have shaped our understanding for generations. But Voyager's data suggested those rules had been broken, or at least bent in ways we never imagined possible. At first, the signal was dismissed as an error, a ghost in the machine, a trick of cosmic noise. But it persisted, a steady rhythmic pulse from the edge of oblivion, repeating with uncanny precision. In a quiet control room, a lone technician watched as a flat line began to tremble, a signal from a spacecraft nearly a full day's light travel away, reaching across the void. This wasn't just any signal, it was coming from the direction of a black hole, a place where nothing should be able to send a message back. Phones rang across the world. Scientists, engineers, and dreamers all wanted answers. The whisper from the void became a shout, echoing through labs and observatories everywhere. Voyager's discovery challenged everything we thought we knew, forcing us to question the very foundations of science. The universe is not just stranger than we imagine, it's stranger than we can imagine. Every answer leads to more questions. This isn't just a new star or planet, it's a paradox, a cosmic riddle from the throat of a black hole, a place where reality itself seems to unravel. The implications touch the very nature of space, time, and perhaps life itself. What else might be possible, now that the impossible has spoken? We are standing on the shore of a new cosmic ocean, and the world is holding its breath, waiting for the next wave of discovery. The story of Voyager is no longer one of solitude, but of a message from the impossible. The rules have changed, and humanity is listening more intently than ever before to the whispers from the void. To truly grasp the magnitude of this moment, you need to know the story of Voyager, a story that stretches across decades and billions of miles. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 and 2 marked humanity's first bold leap into the uncharted realms of the outer solar system, carrying our curiosity farther than ever before. Built with technology now dwarfed by your smartphone, these spacecraft were marvels of their time, and they rewrote our textbooks with every image and every byte of data they sent home. Their grand tour revealed Jupiter's raging storms, Saturn's shimmering rings, volcanic moons like Io, and the mysterious, hazy atmosphere of Titan, unveiling wonders we had only dreamed of. After their planetary mission, they just kept going, becoming our first emissaries to interstellar space, venturing into the unknown beyond our solar system. Each Voyager carries a golden record, a message in a bottle, etched with greetings, music, and images from Earth, meant for any distant intelligence that might one day find it. It was a gesture of hope, a cosmic hello, a testament to our desire to connect with the universe beyond our world. Now, nearly 50 years later, Voyager 1 is over 15 billion miles from home, the most distant human-made object ever, still faithfully sending whispers across the void. Its power is fading, its instruments aging, as it drifts ever farther from the warmth of the sun. We expected it to go silent, ending its journey in a lonely fade to black, lost to the darkness between the stars. But Voyager had one last surprise in store for us. It wasn't destined to simply disappear into the endless night. It was in the right place at the right time to witness the impossible, something no one could have predicted. Something emerged from the darkness, fundamentally altering our understanding of our place in the cosmos and what might be possible. Voyager's journey is no longer just about exploration. It's about rewriting reality itself, challenging everything we thought we knew. Our humble probe became the messenger of a cosmic secret, carrying news that could change the course of human history. And now, the world is listening, united in awe, waiting to hear what Voyager will reveal next. What is this cosmic monster Voyager encountered? A place where the laws of physics seem to break down, and the very fabric of reality is stretched to its limits. Let's get to the science and unravel the secrets behind these mysterious objects. Imagine a massive star, burning for millions of years, shining brilliantly in the darkness until it finally runs out of fuel and can no longer support itself. Gravity wins, and the star collapses inward, shrinking down into a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume where all its mass is concentrated. This collapse creates a black hole, an object with gravity so strong it warps spacetime itself, bending the universe around it like a heavy weight on a trampoline. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once crossed, nothing escapes, not even light. It's the ultimate cosmic boundary. Black holes are invisible, but we see their effects. Stars orbiting emptiness, gas swirling into glowing disks, and matter being torn apart by tidal forces. They are the universe's ultimate traps, swallowing all light and matter, erasing everything that crosses their threshold. For decades we believed black holes were one-way streets, endpoints where matter and energy vanish forever, lost to the universe. This isn't just theory, it's a core prediction of Einstein's general relativity, a cornerstone of modern physics. Until now, nothing has ever escaped a black hole. They were thought to be absolute prisons, but Voyager's discovery suggests something extraordinary. Something may have found a way out. That's both terrifying and exhilarating, shaking the foundations of what we thought we knew. If information can escape, our understanding of physics is incomplete, and the universe is even stranger than we imagined. Black holes may not be the end. They could be gateways to other realms or even bridges to new universes. The universe just revealed a new mystery, one that challenges our imagination and scientific boundaries. And we're only beginning to understand what it means, standing at the edge of a cosmic revelation. The story of black holes has changed, opening a new chapter in our quest to understand the cosmos. And so has our place in the cosmos, as we look up and wonder what other secrets the universe holds. Why are we obsessed with black holes? Because they push physics to its limits. At their core, our best theories, relativity and quantum mechanics, collide. Black holes shape galaxies, influence star formation, and hold cosmic secrets. The information paradox, what happens to everything that falls in, remains unsolved. We build telescopes, listen for gravitational waves, and chase every clue. We stare into the abyss not for destruction, but for knowledge. The black hole, V774 Sagittarii, was unremarkable, just 10 times the mass of our Sun, drifting alone. Voyager 1 was projected to pass nearby, a cosmic coincidence. Its instruments, still ticking, suddenly reported a pattern that made no sense. First, a burst of high-energy particles, coherent, organized. Then, a radio signal, a structured repeating sequence. One pulse, pause, two pulses, pause, three pulses. It was too deliberate to be natural. Scientists checked for malfunctions, reflections, hidden pulsars, nothing fit. The conclusion? Something near the black hole was intentionally broadcasting a signal. The pattern grew more complex. Prime numbers, geometric progressions, a mathematical language, the source, the edge of the event horizon where information is supposed to die. It was a ghost's voice from a sealed tomb. The impossible had happened, a message from the abyss. Voyager was close enough to catch it. The universe had spoken, and we had no idea what it meant. The first reaction wasn't excitement. It was disbelief, then quiet panic. The news was kept secret, shared only among a handful of scientists. Their entire understanding of the universe was at stake. If something can come out of a black hole, what is it? Matter? Energy? Something else? The signal was structured, a message, not a random event. Messages have senders. The idea that something could master a black hole was a paradigm shift. If one black hole is a gateway, could all of them be? To where? The discovery threatened our entire model of reality. Humanity, still fragile and new to the cosmos, was humbled. We don't know their nature or intent, only their power. The silence of space is no longer comforting. We've heard a roar in the dark. With conventional explanations exhausted, scientists turned to the wildest theories. Maybe it was a white hole, the theoretical opposite of a black hole, a region you can only exit. Or a wormhole, a shortcut through spacetime, connecting distant points or even universes. Could the signal be a projection from the event horizon itself, encoded on its boundary? Or, in the most mind-bending scenario, are we living in a simulation, and this is a new variable introduced by its creators? The most profound idea, an intelligence that has mastered gravity, building structures at the edge of an event horizon. They might not be inside the black hole, but living on it, using it as a resource. Each theory is more unsettling than the last. Our understanding of reality is fundamentally incomplete. The universe just got a lot bigger and stranger. The signal from V774 Sagittarius has stopped, but its impact is permanent. The universe is more mysterious than ever. What was the source? Was it a message, a warning, or something else? The silence that followed is as unnerving as the signal itself. New missions are being planned, probes to study black holes up close, to listen for more signals. We venture into the unknown not for answers but for new questions. Every discovery reminds us of our place in the cosmos. Voyager's journey is now about challenging reality itself. The greatest question mark in science hangs between the stars. The adventure has only just begun.